Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quality tutorial, we will learn how to use ChatGPT to improve your English. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding that how ChatGPT works and how ChatGPT helped you to improve your English learning journey. So let's go ahead and see few different ways how we can use ChatGPT to improve your English language. The first thing we can do, we can practice the conversation with ChatGPT. Before proceeding, please consider like and subscribe ITBK. So let's go ahead. Please go to this URL chatgpt.com and let's go ahead and ask, could you talk to me in English? That's great. Yes, absolutely. How can I assist you today? Let's talk about hobbies. Also, you can ask ChatGPT to correct your mistakes and grammars. Could you correct my English mistakes, please? Sure, please share the text you would like me to correct and I will help you to improve it. Okay, let's say I like football playing. ChatGPT has corrected for me the sentence that I have sent. I like football playing too. I like playing football. The next thing we could do with ChatGPT is practicing a natural conversation or practicing a natural dialogue with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to make you a script for your conversation that is related to different kind of situations. For example, let's go ahead and write a short conversation at coffee shop. So here we have the example of the conversation at coffee shop. You can go ahead through all this conversation to improve your English and read it aloud. Or let's say we can ask ChatGPT write a short conversation at hotel. Great. Again, ChatGPT is writing a short conversation for me that I can do a practice and I can also read aloud to improve my English. You can also have ChatGPT to read this aloud for you. If you are having any problem with reading it aloud, then go to directly read aloud button here. So now ChatGPT is reading all this conversation in front of me. That's very nice. I'm able to hear all the conversation ChatGPT is reading for me now, and I can correct myself. You might not be able to hear this sound because the sound is not getting shared in my this recording. All right. Do you know you can also improve your vocabulary with ChatGPT? Let's ask ChatGPT about the specific word. What is rural? Now, ChatGPT will be going to explain the word rural perfectly for me. I'm not able to understand any word here and I want ChatGPT to read it aloud. I can go here and click on read aloud button. Now, let's say I want to ask ChatGPT, give me an example sentence using the word rural. The villager in the rural area rely on farming as their primary source of income. Perfect. Now I am able to understand this more better. So let's say we are still not satisfied with this response and we want to ask ChatGPT this. Please can you write one more example for me? And yes, ChatGPT had written one more example for me that is she decided to move a rural community to enjoy a quieter and more peaceful lifestyles. Perfect. So I have asked ChatGPT that please write the synonyms for the word happy and that's very perfect. ChatGPT have given me 15 different synonyms for the word happy. Before proceeding, if you are enjoying this video tutorial and learning from it, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. Now the next thing is that you can practice and improve your grammar with ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to explain you the certain grammar topics that you are not able to understand. ChatGPT will explain those for you. Let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT that I don't know that how to use future perfect sentence. Could you please assist me to understand it better? Let's go ahead and send it to ChatGPT. That's perfect. ChatGPT has given me the perfect examples, explanations about future perfect sentence. And again, if you want to learn all this perfectly, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to read it aloud for you. The next thing we're gonna ask ChatGPT to correct our mistakes in grammar. Is this sentence correct? They does mistakes in English. Let's go ahead and send it. The sentence is not correct. The correct version would be they make mistakes in English. In English, there is a plural subject, so does should be replaced with make. Perfect. You can ask ChatGPT to make things easier for you. For example, let's say I have an article here and I want ChatGPT simplify this article for me so that I can understand it easily. Here is the article. So let's send it. Now ChatGPT will simplify this article perfect for me. Right? ChatGPT has perfectly simplified this article for me. Another incredible thing that ChatGPT could also help you with improving your writing. For example, if you are writing an essay, you can ask ChatGPT to clarify specific points for you. So let's say here we want ChatGPT, please can you more clarify on diseases? And here you go. ChatGPT has clarified more about plant diseases here. So we can say that you can spend a lot of time with ChatGPT by asking questions and exploring your ideas. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. We have learned few examples on how we can use ChatGPT to improve our English language, speaking and writing both. Also, please note that ChatGPT also make mistakes. So it's better when you are dealing with ChatGPT and you are getting answers with ChatGPT, make sure you have gone through each and every word. So that's it about today's simple, to the point, and quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.